Hi everybody, welcome to the stream. Just gonna be working on Manjaro. So, some things to know about Manjaro. Mate. They haven't updated their ISO for Mate. So, I currently installed manjaro-mate edition, and I configured it to testing branch, so I am on the testing branch, and I will show you right now that this is a 5122 VirtualBox, and you cannot get this in stable. So I'm in a testing manjaro-mate, and so yeah, so I'll just leave that open for now. And then we got we do got Clementine in here too, because I know somebody was having problems, so let's just open up this Clementine. So Clementine is in here in manjaro-mate edition. I'll pull up the terminal so you guys can see. It's a Manjaro 1701. I don't think Manjaro has updated the ISO to the new one, because I didn't have an error with the update packages. There's a fix that you have to do to manjaro-mate to get it properly updates and stuff. So I'll show you guys how to do that in this stream. So let's just take a look at Clementine and see if everything's working. It seems like everything's working. It didn't crash or nothing, so it got all your plugins here to listen to music. I listen to Spotify on premium account for $10, so that's pretty good. So let's open up VirtualBox and get the show you guys the manjaro-mate install in here. This is how I have it configured on my desktop right now. I have the menu right here and transparency right there. So I got the alt terminal right there. So everything's right there. So let's create a new for manjaro-mate 17, and then we're gonna hit Linux, and then we want Arch 64, and then we gotta configure it to how much RAM you usually have. I have more than this, but I usually keep it at 4 gigabytes. So create your space. Hard drive space is usually, I think, allocated to how much space you have installed already free on your hard drive. So we're gonna want let's just put 26 is enough for testing. So we're gonna go to general, advanced, and then we're gonna put this one down. I'm not even gonna try and say it. So it's this one, so I can copy and paste in VirtualBox. And then for system, I don't touch anything for system. Display, I put the video memory all the way up, and then I turn on enabled 3D acceleration, and then we're good to go. So all I do from here is hit storage, and then I choose the media. So gonna go to the manjaro-mate stable media, and then hit OK. So let's hit apply right now. So let's start Manjaro. We don't need non-free because we're in VirtualBox. So we're starting it up. And this is how manjaro-mate looks out of the box. Unlike mine up here, I have it customized to how I like it. So we're not going to worry about the updates right now because we're going to install it. So we're just going to turn this off, and then we're going to install it with the Manjaro installer, with the Calamari's installer. So here we go. We got your normal Calamari's installer, and I'm gonna hit manual partition like I always do, and then yes to master boot record, and then create, and then root. Yes, we want it like that, and then click OK. So we're good to go to install. So click next, and then your name for this is just gonna be test, and then for the password it's just gonna be real simple for testing purposes. And then this, I'm not too sure if I like this, just because Manjaro is supposed to be user friendly, and this don't look like a user friendly option. But if you guys know these packages and stuff, so we want that, and then you can pick Yowert. We want that. Polymoth. that, and then your office. I don't want any office. Internet. I don't want none of these internets because I want Google Chrome. So multimedia, you can pick your multimedia. I'm not going to pick anything right now. Mate Extra, we want the Mate Extra packages, and we want Mate Extra GTK3 packages. So once we're completed, we hit next, and then everything is good, and it's going to install. So it's installing right now and running, and for the most part, this installer actually took a lot longer than Linux and other stuff's Manjaro installer. This one took a pretty long time to install, so you guys just gotta be patient and stuff and let this go through. So it's still running the package and stuff. So while that's going, I'm just gonna show you the stuff about the update PAMAC and the issue. I know we're not there yet, but this is the commands. This is a command PAMAC dash capital S, and this for 32-bit, and for 64 this is the command for 64. So all of this, and then you do, and then this to update. So I'll show you how to do that, and then it gives you an option to log out to the talk to later screen with Control Alt F3 on how to do that in there. But this option is the one that worked for me, so I'll show you how to do that. Well, plus. So this is still going right here, so let's see what's out with the Linux world and stuff. Still nothing, so let's so this is still going, and this is what I meant about it taking a longer time than Linux and other stuff's Manjaro. I'm not sure why, probably because they haven't got around to updating the Mate edition yet. So if all you guys are joining, I'm running Manjaro 17.0.1, and it's Mate edition with the icon theme, Saturday Flat, Evo Pop, and then the GTK theme is Blue Submarine. So it's still trying to work its way down to 100%. Still on 26% in the manjaro-mate install, and it should be getting close to the end. It did take a while on real hardware also. I'm not sure why the mate installer, probably because of the PAMAC issue that it was having, and going to show you how to fix that once this completes. So this was the issue I guess everybody was having when on Manjaro, but there is a fix around it so it doesn't happen. So just gonna show you guys that as soon as it installs. And right now this is my mate Manjaro desktop right now. I have the menu right here. And everything, and I got the terminal right there. And Clementine is working in manjaro-mate, and I installed it before I switched to testing, so it was fine to install, and everything is working flawlessly out of the box. And I will say there was one hiccup. I had to turn off my computer, and I'm not sure why that was, but Hi Frank, how's it going? I'm good, thanks. I'm just reviewing installing manjaro-mate to VirtualBox. I got so I can show everybody how it's done and stuff, cause I think they haven't updated the mate ISO yet, and there's still that Pamac issue, but there is a fix out for it. I'm pretty sure this was when everybody had that update issue here, but there is a fix right here for it. And I'm running manjaro-mate right now. I installed it on my real hardware, and this is how everything looks so far. I got the terminal like that and stuff, and I'll show you its mate edition right here. So just waiting for this to install, and this install takes a long time than I think the rest of them, because they haven't updated their stuff yet. Let's just take a look at it, because I think the update ISO is different. So just take a look at it, and I don't have AMD graphics driver. I run NVIDIA, but let's see what the command is. Let's just see. I'll take a look at it. Cause these are the current releases right here. Oh wait, it's 17.012, so I'm not sure if these have they might all have updates, but the one that Linux, I'm not sure, the one that Linux and other stuff gave me, the ISO that he built, didn't have the issue, so I'm not sure why that is, but I will show in this stream. But let's take a look at your AMD. Let's see how to install AMD in Manjaro. It would be Catalyst right here. Hold on. Okay, Catalyst right here. Let me see, Catalyst. Okay, that's not any help. I don't think that's what we wanted. Let's go to Catalyst. Maybe it was the first one. Okay, here, right here, it should be steps to restore free ATI. Oh wait, install the Catalyst. It would be this command, the same command right here. It should be, I think. No wait, no, that's not it. Those are the non-free. These are for the non-free car. For the cat right here. I think these are the proprietary drivers right here. It will be necessary to update your system in order to prepare it to the Catalyst. I think Is yours catalyst drivers? That's AMD, right? I think it's this one right here. I think that's proprietary. I think those are and then this is the non-free one. So that would be the one, I'm pretty sure that would be the proprietary one. And then this is the non-free one. Have you tried the non-free one before? But these should be the proprietary. The first one. Okay, yeah, then use that command then. That's the one you want then. Unless you do install the cat, prepare those for catalyst install. Okay, wait, okay, no, you do both of them at the same time. I'm mistaken. You do the first one first. The first one is first. It says prepare the system for catalyst drivers. Wait, let me just make sure yours is catalyst. I'm pretty sure all of them, all AMD are catalysts. But let me just check to be on the safe side. Let me go Pro driver. These catalysts, let me see. Catalysts. Trying to see if these are catalysts in here. Catalyst. AMD, very crack catalysts. Are these even catalysts? Let me see, catalysts for AMD, right? Catalysts is. Let me see, no, that's not. Amigo Pro. I would try those two commands though on Manjaro and see what happens. The first command is sudo pacman -s capital S YYU MHW DB catalyst, and then you use the non-free one that I put in there too. So then after both those are done, because I'm pretty sure your AMD is catalyst. Yeah, because that's what... Yeah, that should... Those commands should work. I don't have AMD but you want to see a big NVIDIA card. Let me I'll show you a big NVIDIA card. Oops. I'll show you a big NVIDIA card. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, that's the one I just got, and I had it in, but I thought I was having an issue or something, but I guess I wasn't seeing a line slanting, but I'm still not sure what's going on there, but that card cost me $500. It's this 1071, but yeah, so let's restart. Let's restart now. So we're gonna restart this, and I think I made a mistake. I forgot. I didn't want to restart. Oh no, wait. Maybe it'll do it. Yeah, this will do it. Boot from hard drive. So then we want to remove the disk. So thanks. I'll probably put it back in. It lights up too and stuff. It's from EVGA, the 1071 FTW2. I just took it out because I thought the words on my screen were slanted, and for some reason they still look slanted to me, but I don't know. When I do videos, everybody seems to says it's fine, so I don't know if it's just my eyes or what, but I don't know. Maybe it's the monitor or something. I don't know. So yeah, let's reset this because I don't know what happened to it. So let's reset this. And then we're going to go into Manjaro. We're not going to be able to show you guys on VirtualBox. Uh-oh, Manjaro. Look what happened. I don't think it likes VirtualBox. Because I'm running on my hardware and it worked. So let me see. Let me try shutting it down. And pulling it back up. Let's try. Wonder how we get into. I don't know if Manjaro likes VirtualBox, at least now, but let me see if I can fix it. I'm not sure what the command is for. Okay, here we go. Let's go in the talk to later screen and see if we can fix it through here. So let's do login for test. That's my name. So we're in talk to later screen and we're just gonna see if this fixes it. So let's go back to that page and we're gonna go to log with the user, issue a normal update, and if you have an issue with presence on my system with sudo. Okay, let's try this. Right here, so I gotta type it out. Sudo, oh, that's easy. Duh. Sudo pacman /SYU, and then we're gonna go to quick replace pacman, yes. Okay, so we want that. So this might fix it. And let's see, yeah, these ones fail. So this is what I was talking about. These ones fail, and then, but the fix should fix it. Let me see how we fix it. Let me see. Okay, so if you have an issue with sudo, then try the update once more with sudo pack. No, wait. And try the update. Let's see. Let me see. Let's try it once more. Sudo. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna try this. I'm gonna try because apparently that's the same thing. Oh wait. I tried this one. Oh wait. Okay, we wanted to do this. My mistake. We just want SY. We just want the SY one, so let's take this SY. We just want that. I think that's what it said. Okay, then let's do it again with SYU. So we're gonna try this. And then yes. And then no, that's not. So let's go back. Let's try this command here. And see if it works in there. Okay. Sudo pacman. I gotta type this out. In this small screen. Sudo. Okay, sudo. Whoops. What did I do? I didn't want that. Go back. Go back. History. Right there, we wanted that one. So we want sudo. Let me bring this thing down. So I can see this. Sudo. Oh, we want. Let me see. Sudo. Then we want that. Okay. Sudo. Okay, we want sudo pacman s, and then mhwd massa and then lib g let me see what it is. I'm not a fast typer, so lib g l b n d l b n d. So then we want lib32 massa, lib32 massa. Just make sure it's right. And then lib32 lib32 what was that? lib32 slash lib v lib v lib g lib glv and d. Right. Okay, then slash force // force. So let's try this, and then we're gonna do this. And then we're going to go back. We're just going to go back and make sure everything is... Let me make this full screen. Let me make sure, we're just going to go back and do sudo pacman SYU to make sure everything is updated. Sudo pacman, oops, no, that's not what I wanted. Sudo pacman S. You would think I know all these commands, but yes. Okay, there, now it works. So we should be so if you're doing this, so we should be good. Cross your fingers, we should be good. Now, after this is complete, it should boot into Manjaro. At least that's what I'm counting on. I don't know if, I guess VirtualBox doesn't like Manjaro either. Because it didn't want to boot the first time, because it booted on real hardware, it boots. But in VirtualBox, I guess it just doesn't like Manjaro either. Okay, so once that's done, we are going to hit, let's see, I'm just gonna hit another command just to make sure the mirrors are right. Sudo pacman /s y. Okay. Then I'm gonna hit sudo reboot. And then hopefully it boots in now. And I think we're in. Yes, we are in. And that's how you fix it. That's how you fix it in VirtualBox, not on real. So we don't have to do it. So if you're on real hardware, you are going to have, I left a link to this page in my video once it's uploaded. So once you guys so for 32-bit you have to run this command, but for 64 you have to run this longer command, and then you gotta run the update with sudo pacman -SYU, and then, but apparently VirtualBox didn't like it, so I had to go through the talk to me later screen, or whatever that command is called, and so you'll have to do that. So this is the regular Manjaro, so let's just boot in and see what it like. And we are in. So the first thing I do in Mate is I don't really like this brisk menu. I wish they came out with a better menu for Mate. I'm not really a big fan of it. Only because I seem sometimes they miss software in this. Like, I don't think I had my NVIDIA settings in here once, so that's I'm just gonna close that, and let's if you want to change where the panel is, you just hit properties. You can hit top like I have, and it seems we got new let's just go to options. We want checked. We don't want unsupported kernels. We want for the recommended kernels. So just click that off and apply. And then we want we can go in the kernels, and it's on the recommended one. That's what we want. So, and then let's see. We are all good with the PAMAC manager, so that's good. And to get your panel transparent, like I have at the top, you just click this and go to background and then solid color. And then you pull this all the way down and you can have it transparent. This is the brisk menu. I'm gonna put it back up to how it was for right now, and then then if you want the other menu I have is add new panel, and then just hit the menu, and then I hit the Mate menu. That's the one I have. So here's the menu that I like, that I have down here. And then if you want to get rid of these icons, the best way for you guys to do that is to install the tweak tool, because it's not installed on Manjaro. You would think because they want to make Arch easy, they would have that installed besides other things. So let's just go to the package manager and let's just go, and no, I think I'm wrong. Wait, let me see. Mate, tweak. The Mate, okay, yeah, you need the Mate tweak. So yeah, hit that. And then whatever your password is, oh, and sorry, I forgot to put my video down. Sorry about that, guys. And so once that's installed, you want to go to the menu, whichever menu you have. Usually, I don't know if it's going to show up in this brisk menu. Let me see, where's the mate? The search, I will search for it. Mate. Tweak. No, see, it doesn't show up. That's why I don't like the brisk menu too much. So let's go to the mate. And actually, wait a second. Yeah, here it is. Right here. So here's the mate twig. And that's how you get the icons off. So you don't have any icons. If you want them back on, just hit them back on. But I don't usually have those on. And the panel, it has the same options. You can put it as Fedora, which is pretty cool. You can have it as GNOME too, or Netbook. Which is pretty cool. And not sure what this one is. You have it down at the bottom here. Or you can have it as Ubuntu Mate. I think I'm going to keep it on Ubuntu Mate in here in VirtualBox for, well, right now. So you can have it as Ubuntu Mate. I think that's pretty cool. And let's just see, now I think the package manager, I think somebody said they had a problem with Clementine, so let's just get Clementine. Did I spell it wrong? Let's see if I spelled it wrong. Internet. I think I spelled it wrong. See, Clementine. No, that's right. Okay, so so I installed it before. Let me see. I don't like Yahoo. That's why. Let's get Clementine. No, I did spell it wrong. Yahoo is wrong. I spelled it wrong. Okay, that's why. I spelled it wrong. So Clementine. So here's Clementine. That's why I like Google. Okay, so then put your password in. And everything should be right now. So you guys should be all good to go with manjaro-mate. See, that's installed. And let's go to applications, sound and video, Clementine. And it's installed. So yeah, preferences, everything's working, no crashes. Everything's working fast since we did that fix. Everything should be working from now until Manjaro screws it up again. So, let's just go back, and so you guys need to let's just talk about that. You guys need to once you guys install Manjaro, if you guys are able, when you guys install it to your hard drive or SSD or whatever, if you guys aren't able to boot up and you get a blinking cursor, please just go into Talk to Later screen by hitting Control Alt F3 like it says here, and then run. Then if you're running a 64-bit, you guys want to run this command, and then 32-bit is the top command. It's a shorter command for 32-bit. So, but if you guys are able to boot into Manjaro and you guys try and update with PyMac and you get a dependency issue, then still do the this fix right here for 64 or 32 on the top, the shorter command, whichever distro type you're using. So yeah, so I think that is the it on manjaro-mate. I'm not gonna do a lot of customization with mate because there's really not a whole lot you can do with mate as of yet, but this is what I have my mate set up so far, and that's pretty much all I have right now. Pretty much it's an awesome mate desktop. So yeah, so that is going to probably be the end of this stream. I hope you guys got a lot of help out of this stream, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. So please come again, and I'll be back on. I don't know if I'm gonna be on tomorrow. I might or might not. I don't know if I'm gonna skip a day or not, but just look out for my stream. And were you able to get your AMD card working? You too. Let me know how your AMD card goes. If you still have issues, let me know. But those commands should work. Alright, bye everybody.